Unlock the true cinematic potential of your Canon EOS R10 and transform ordinary footage into breathtaking visual stories. First, power on your camera and press the menu button. We're looking for the picture style settings, which are conveniently located under the first camera tab. Navigate down until you find picture style. Inside, you'll see several options. Select one of the user-defined slots, like UserDef1, to customize your own Cinestyle profile. Now, for the core of Cinestyle, reducing sharpness, contrast, and saturation. Set sharpness all the way down to 4. This eliminates harsh edges and gives you more flexibility in post-production. Next, contrast should also be set to 4. Lowering contrast flattens your image, preserving detail in both shadows and highlights, which is crucial for color grading. Then, set saturation to 4. Desaturating your footage provides a neutral canvas, preventing colors from becoming oversaturated and allowing you to achieve nuanced looks later. Leave color tone at its default 0 setting. We want to maintain accurate base colors without introducing any shifts at this stage. Once those critical adjustments are made, press the menu button again to exit the picture style settings. Next, let's tackle white balance. For optimal color accuracy, go back to the first camera tab in your main menu and find white balance. Selecting custom white balance is generally recommended for cinematic work. To set custom white balance, point your camera at a neutral gray card or a white object in your scene, fill the frame, and take a quick photo or record a short clip of it. The camera will use this reference point to accurately balance the colors in your environment. Finally, consider slightly overexposing your footage by 1/3 to 1/2. Stop. This technique, known as exposing to the right, captures more detail in your shadows, reducing noise and further enhancing your color grading potential. By implementing these Cinestyle settings on your Canon EOS R10, you're now equipped with flat, flexible footage, ready to be transformed into cinematic masterpieces through the power of color grading. Hit that subscribe button for more filmmaking tips.